So today we look into 4 further exercises which you can use with your dynamic ladder in the dynamic phase. The first one you know already, that is the downhill skiing, and we just repeat it quickly here. So you bring the feet in a parallel stance. Look that you have a nice alignment, the head to the sitting bones in a nice line, and then you bring the knees forward a little bit deeper than usual, the knees looking exactly forward like the headlights of a car. Then you can either put your hands here, or easier if you want to imitate poles, you put them like that as if you have the poles, and then you press the heel into the mat in a rhythmic bounce, parallel feet, parallel bounce, and that brings you in the movement, and you take your poles and you just move through the snow. So that's the downhill ski. The second exercise which we will use today for the dynamic ladder is the windmill, and for that you bring the hands to the side and you make a large circle like that. And you do that in a parallel bounce, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The next exercise is called 4 points, because we touch 4 points on the rebounder mat and we bring our fists to 4 points in front of our body. This exercise demands quite a lot of coordination, therefore we break it into first the sets of the feet and then the set of the arms. And I recommend, when you use that in the dynamic ladder, in the beginning you only do it with your feet, and then the next time you only do it with your arms, and then you bring it together. Yeah, so you take your own time to really work into this exercise. So let's start with the feet. We have them parallel and in hips width, and we're bouncing forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward and back, and forward and back, forward and back, and forward and back. And now we do the arms. With the arms, we bring from this position, we bring the arms first to the left, to the right, to the left down, to the right down. So let's do it with a parallel bouncing. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And then together it looks like that. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Yeah, okay. Our 4th movement today, it's called staircase. And with that movement, which is pretty dynamic, we imitate moving up a staircase very quickly. We use both arms for that, and we alternate the feet. So it's like moving up, running up a staircase. Okay, great. And now let's bring these 4 movements together in the dynamic ladder for the dynamic phase. So let's just repeat how the dynamic ladder is functioning. We have alternating a dynamic phase and an ease phase. So in the beginning we start with 1 minute the dynamic phase, then 1 minute the ease phase, then 2 minutes the dynamic phase and 2 minutes the ease phase, and then 3 minutes the dynamic workout and 3 minutes of ease. And the ease usually is just the health bounce, where you relax and where you again look that your alignment and your positioning of the feet and everything like that is correct. Yeah? Okay, now this time we have 4 different movements, so each minute of dynamic we split it up into 4 sections. So 4 times 15 seconds, about. You know, it really doesn't need to be on the second, but just about 15 seconds for each of the movements. Again, the first movement was the downhill skiing. The second movement is the windmill. The third movement is the 4 points. And the fourth one is the staircase. Okay, and then let's get ready. Last seconds, get ready for the skiing. You have your poles in your hands, and so that was the first minute, dynamic, and then the next minute, ease. And then the phase 2 with 2 minutes, and the phase 3 with 3 minutes. You're going to do on your own. Have fun!